Alright guys, in today's video, we have something nice going on. Since I effed it up, I gotta fix it. Stay tuned.
Hold on, baby. Let me ask you again.
Just ask me the last question.
Un mudo como pide un cigarro? You would walk up to it and what?
And point to it.
And point to it and go like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. ¿Y el ciego? ¿Cómo le haría?
El ciego would close his eyes.
You would close his eyes or what?
He would go.
Pero babe, un ciego sí puede hablar.
Alright, tonight is the night. It is, let's see, 7:14. And I am en route to meet up with my brother Juan at my parents' house. We are about to go get my dad's truck painted. I'll keep you guys posted. Como ve, está bien ahí que se divida la línea. Y así que ya para que de allí para abajo cambie el color. And the bumper, the whole bumper, or how would it go in the front? The whole bumper would be the other color?
Yeah.
My brother's a beast. While I taped it off and took taillights, he fixed the dent and got it ready. Oh yeah. Una perla como oro.
Yeah.
Progress. My brother's getting it done. Progress. Porque en la luz el reflejo que tiene se ve chingón. It is now 11:59 and he's got the first coat on there. Painted these two so we can compare some center colors. Oh. $12.07. First clear coat. We're dipping. 128 and we are back. Wait till you guys see. All right, there it is. All finished up with the stripe and everything. Looking good. So what happened was I was pulling out with the trailer and it whipped down on me. And we effed up this part. My brother hooked it up.
And the tires turning that way.
Yeah, tell them what we did.
We painted Tito's. We fixed his truck first, and then we painted it, and then we were good.
That's right. There you go.
And then
Couldn't have said it better myself. All right, guys, say peace out and take care. Make sure you subscribe.
Peace out and take care. Make sure you subscribe.
That's it.